Guys, to make these chicken skewers, you are gonna need a whole bunch of ingredients. Half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of black mustard seed, 4 cardamom pods split, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, 2 cloves of garlic crushed or finely chopped, 200 ml of coconut cream, a half a teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of gluten-free plain flour, half a teaspoon of ginger paste, 20 grams of fresh coriander, 2 large chicken breasts cut into diced, 1.5 cups of white rice, half a cup of black rice, 2.5 cups of water, and we're going to add 1 bay leaf. So here's all the ingredients. That's all our spices. Fresh ginger, that's the paste there. You want 1 teaspoon of that. And over here we've got the chicken. The only thing that's not in that list is 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, which we are going to toss into our diced chicken, and we're going to marinate that with a little bit of olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this chicken into a bowl so we can put that smoked paprika on the chicken. Just sprinkle the paprika over the top. We're going to just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there, 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix this in and let this marinate now. And now what we're going to do is let that marinate just for about 10 minutes or so. Okay, so into our rice cooker we got 1.5 cups of white rice, half a cup of black rice, and then we're going to add 2.5 cups of water. I'm going to pop the lid on and get it on to cook. Okay, now it's time to place your chicken onto the skewers. 5 pieces will be enough maybe. And you just want to repeat this process now until all the chicken skewers are done. Okay, so now it's time to turn them. They've had a couple of minutes on that side. Smells absolutely fabulous. Okay, so now we're going to remove the last skewers. Now we're going to toss in our onion and our garlic. And what we're doing is incorporating all those juices from the chicken, the spices of the paprika. We want to tip all those beautiful flavors that we've captured from that grill plate into another pan. And then we're going to start making a sauce. And now we're going to toss in all the spices in one hit. Time to toast these off now. It's going to take less than half a minute. Now at this stage I want to toss in my gluten-free flour. And again, really give that a good cook through. It's not going to take long, maybe a half a minute or so. Now it's time to add the coconut cream. Let this all marry together on a medium-low heat until it's nice and combined together. You want to cook this out now for just a couple of minutes. A little bit more pepper, a touch of salt. It's time to add the fresh coriander. I'm going to add almost 3/4. I'm going to save a little bit back for garnish. Give it a stir around. I can tell you it smells absolutely amazing.
So guys, all the ingredients in this recipe are gluten-free. I have checked them, and it's a wise move if you do the same. You could be purchasing different items to me in relation to curry powders and so on. So please check the contents of the packet and the ingredients list that's supplied with the product if you're choosing to go gluten-free. Otherwise, if that's not an issue, you can continue to use any ingredients you like, and that also includes using plain flour should you wish to do so. Thanks again for watching my channel, and I hope you give that recipe a try. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, that way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Take care, have yourselves a fantastic week, and I will see you next time.